Hi everyone, let's download and install and activate Microsoft Office for lifetime legally. Just search for Office Deployment Tool. Download Office Deployment Tool. Just click download. You see, my download has started. Click this folder. Okay, that's Office Deployment Tool. First, let's create a folder. Let's create a folder here on desktop. Name it Office 2024. Okay, come back to downloads. Here, Office Deployment Tool. Right click, run as administrator. Yes. Select this one. Continue. This PC, desktop, find your folder, Office. Okay, file is extracted successfully. Okay. Now, let's check. Now we have these two files. Just select this one, right click, open with Notepad. Great. Select all, Control A, select all, delete. Come back to article. We have this article. The link is given in the description of this video. Just copy this configuration. It is for Office 2024. Copy. Come back to your notepad. Control V. We need PID key. Just come back to your article. It is for Office LTSC 2024. Control C. Come back to your folder. Put it here. Control V. Now, if you need Visio, you can do this for Visio and Project. I don't need them, so just delete. Okay. Now from File, save as configuration.xml. Save. Good. Now close. Let's see. We have configuration. I delete this one. I don't need this one anymore. Okay. Now just select the folder, Control C, put it in Windows C or Disk C. Control or just paste it here. Right click, paste. Open it. Select the path. Just Control C. Open command prompt. Command prompt. Run as administrator. Yes. CD space Control V. Enter. From the article, we have a command. Copy this command. Copy. Come back to command prompt. Control V. Enter. We just have to wait. Now everything is good. The time depends on your PC performance. Please just wait. It is done. Now you can close this command prompt. Just here search for Excel, for example. Excel. Open it. Okay. From account, from here, you see it requires a product key. Just change product key. Come back to your article. From here, we have this product key for KMS activation. We don't need this one. Scroll down. We have to use product key for Mac activation. Select this one, Control C. Come back to Excel. Put it here, Control V. Activate Office. Now it is done. Just from update option, disable updates. Yes. Enable update, disable update. It's okay. Now if you just close it and open Excel again, you see it's activated. Account, product activated. Now it works for lifetime. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a nice time.